What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be doing some drift prep. It is Thursday the 19th, I believe, something like that. I have an event at Thompson Speedway in Connecticut on the 22nd, 21st, 22nd, I don't know, Sunday. And I figured, a little bit of drift prep, early drift prep doesn't hurt. So basically, just kind of going over the car. I just checked for any vacuum leaks over there because the last event, last Saturday, I was having some issues with high idle. The AFRs were good, boost was good, but it was idling at like 2K. So that's that. It doesn't seem to do it anymore, but I'll go through some other shit. But I was kind of just going around the engine bay, and I realized this part of my bumper is kind of hanging, lower than average. And it's really floppy. Let me show you. You know what I mean? Like, for being fiberglass, it's pretty floppy. And I come over here, and that's completely separated. So the tack welds basically ripped off the radiator support. So right now, what I'm going to do is, as you can see, my little L bracket should be up higher, but it's obviously not. What I'm going to do is stick this bitch under the intercooler, jack her up a little bit, just like that. Yeah, it seems about good. And I'm going to try and bend this back a little bit, just a little bit. So actually, I'm going to lower this a little. Right there is good. And then I'm going to take a wire brush and just lay a bead right there, and just try and get in there. I'll do that on this side too, just for future purposes. But I'm gonna grab the welder out of my truck. Thank God I have it with me, and I'm gonna clean this up and get that done. All right, so I got my drill, got my safety glasses, safety first, motherfuckers. So basically, what I'm gonna do, it's gonna be kind of a bitch, but I'm gonna try and get in there somehow and wire wheel a spot, and then I'll film me laying a little bead on them. He's on fire. Getting enough right there. A little smelly. That's what that damn fucking thing looks like. Get that spot. Burn through a little bit right there, but it's okay. This side was still, you know, on there good. I had to fill a massive gap. But I'm gonna get this wire wheeled a little bit and spray some primer. So I decided to put in my Arrow Catch hood pins. I'm getting sick of using the old latch, and it's like kind of funky. Sometimes it doesn't want to open, sometimes it doesn't want to close. So, gonna get rid of it. Right now, I have these guys in there just sitting there. Put a little bit of oil on top of them, mark some spots. Now I'm gonna put some tape on the top side of the hood, so when I drill through, it kind of doesn't like fuck anything up. All right, so this is how far I got so far. That kind of goes through there like that. It's a little cricky, but that's okay. I'll fix that. This side would go through, but I gotta make the hole a little bit bigger. And then this side's a little bit lower, so I'm gonna have to figure shit out. But now I gotta basically start cutting shit out, sadly. But I was thinking about doing it like that, but I think I'm gonna do it like that. I think that'd look pretty killer instead of just straight up and down. So I'm gonna start making some templates and go from there. Alright, so this is where I'm at. Looks pretty good to me. I don't really care. So I'm gonna find the Dremel and start doing this shit. So this is how far I got so far. That kind of didn't really make sense, but if I can find one of them. Fit in there, nice and nice. Ugh. Just like that. Now, hopefully they line up with the hole. So, after a lot of swearing and itchy hands from the fiberglass, the shit is done. As you can see, right there and right there. I would advise you guys to do this off the car, otherwise you're gonna have a bad time. But yeah, so one thing that is a problem is I gotta redo these guys, because you'll see why. Well, they're off now, but the bumper sat too high with the hood being on these. But let me show you guys how it sits. Come on, bitch. I gotta adjust the hood a little bit. There we go. That's how it sits. As you can see, the hood gap is nice and tight right there, and then it loosens up right there. Partly because the bumper is just such a shitty quality fucking rep bumper. You can see the gap is like pretty decent if you compare it to the actual bumper. Like, there's not much of a lip besides over here, obviously, but I'm gonna have to make a bracket that kind of comes up like that, which I can just reuse the old ones. I just gotta cut them up a little bit. But that's gonna do it for this video. Off camera, I'm gonna do an oil change and maybe install my inline thing for the water temp gauge, because it's shot, the one I have in now at least. But I'm satisfied with how this came out. The old hatch was, or the old latch was giving me issues, so I'll do it for now. So give it a like, subscribe. I'll have a drift video up shortly.